Oh! What do you think, Pete? What are you going to tell Morgan and all your buddies for sucking out and not coming?
Oh,
eh?
It's easy, it's fun.
Oh, boys, you're missing a great day, eh?
Leaking out of that.
You got no clutch or front brake?
Front brake.
Yeah, good thing. Good thing you don't need it in here. We are Saturday, Hurricane Fiona. 12 people going for a ride in Area 62. The wind's still about 60.
Right on. They were both.
Rain's kind of letting up a little bit. Should be a good day. Thought this was a good place to stop and take some videos. Oh boy! Soak 'em, Sean! Soak 'em! Ah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Yeah, that's a bad route there. Oh, yeah. Oh, Kevin's gonna go right up it. Oh, no he's not. Attaboy, Marcus! Yeah, this is the one. Whew. Oh, man. Nice. Ooh, good job, my man. Okay, we're heading back down now. Thought my bike to turn my camera on, probably not the best idea. Nice job, Mark. You got it, Kevy. Oh, boy. Woo! Holy fuck. Yeah, that's sketch. clip that rock, look.
Fetched you right the fuck up.
Yeah. Good dismount though.
Yeah. Nice soft rocks to land on anyway, right?
I know, man. I'm like, oh shit, this is might not feel good. Oh,
Well,
another one.
these rocks are slippery. That's a nasty hit, eh? That one ain't yuck. You're lucky it didn't take your fucking case out.
Whew. This is gnarly, folks. So I've never been stuck going downhill before. Look, ta-da!
You seen this, Paul?
I heard you. I did the same thing. I mean,
Have a look at the pipe.
did you hear?
Like this big, like right inside.
I got lucky there in that crash, man. I thought I was in for some pain. Whew. Oh, couple big crashes.
Was there?
Oh yeah, that's a nice dump there.
Yeah, this fucking launch. No, I just.
Oh, yeah, the handguard took a fucking. Just that's tough plastic to be showing that.
Took a smash.
All I heard was.
Here, look.
I went down hard too.
Oh, I did at least 5 times. All these fucking there is fluid. You're spongy before, right?
Yeah, before that fall.
Man, honestly, like we should see if that fitting's loose at all. It's coming out of the fitting, not where it's. Look. Oh yeah, let's tighten
we'll
that
have
back
to
in, bro. I got
do it.
It is an Allen? Yeah. That's where it's loose.
Yeah, we can.
It's leaking right out of that.
You got no clutch or front brake?
Front brake.
Yeah, good thing. Good thing you don't need it in here. Nick's like, don't use your front brake. I didn't think I was, but did you see me grabbing it? Yeah.
I did.
I got a bad habit always using the front.
All right, are we still rolling? Yep. That was pretty gnarly, folks.
Buddy.
Yeah, I
Pretty
forgot
gnarly.
about that.
Huh?
I forgot about that little
There
section.
you go.
I was like, Scrape, scrap, bang,
I think
click,
just that's
crash.
A little too big.
Is it a little too big?
That's what
Try
she
that
said,
one.
PP. What do you think, Pete? What are you going to tell Morgan and all your buddies for sucking out, not coming?
Oh,
Eh?
it's easy, it's fun.
Oh, boys,
It's
you're missing a great
refreshing.
day, eh?
We're going fast. And
Great
it's
day
fun,
here.
man.
Just working it.
Trying to waste it. Yeah.
Too small.
Too small?
The other side.
Well, if they were here, they'd be right there. I guess we'll wait here for a bit.
Ring the fucking bell, buddy! Let's drink!
Good job, boys.
Still trying to get dressed.
Do a nice little inspection.